Ankita Gupta and I have been working with Livspace, and this project is from Shobha Aspire. The clients came up with a concept called 5 Elements of Life, and what they really wanted was to have different concepts in each of the areas of this flat, which actually relates to this 5 Elements of Life concept. What they actually wanted was a very earthy and rustic feeling in the house. They wanted their home to be something like that tells a story. They wanted each thing to tell a story about them. The house has been done around a lot of themes, right, starting from the trim designs, and then there are brick cladding works which looks very rustic, which they are very fond of, and there are wooden textures which are used which looks very raw itself, and they are very fond of something that is handmade. So they have few things that they have made a collection, like there is a Ravi Verma painting book that they want to use throughout the house. And even in the kitchen, we have changed the Dado tiles to match with the theme of the kitchen color. And we have mostly done in blue color, since the client's favorite color was blue. And they really wanted to see the splash of blue in few of the places. And that's how we have done up the kitchen also. There's a swing in the living room which is fully customized for them. There's a cabinet, a vintage cabinet, which we ordered specially for them. Instead of a modern crockery cabinet, we wanted to just highlight that space that gives a vintage charm to the entire dining room. And there are handmade lights also in the flat above the dining table. Also, there's a daughter's room, who is a great fan of Harry Potter. She has a good collection of all the Harry Potter stuffs which she wanted to incorporate in her room design. The daughter's room has a lot of paintings, so those paintings and whatever the quotes are written, that is very close to the client's daughter, which she wanted to highlight in her room. She had a lot of books which she wanted to keep it in a customized bookshelf. So instead of making a very typical and modern bookshelf, we did a very old and vintage style bookshelf that is with all ceramic knobs and old raw wood textures. In the master bedroom, the client's favorite color was blue. So we have used blue for the entire background of the master bed. And then client really likes to read novels and books sometimes in her spare time. So we have given a very good high back sofa chair for her. Behind that there's a wallpaper with nice floating shelves. They have another bedroom where we have mostly done in the shades of white and light colors. So there are some floating shelves in that room where we have hanged it through the help of SS strings, and they have converted that room into a Pooja room kind of a place. And the clients have been very sweet to work with. They were really patient, and it's really rare for a designer to get such a project where they actually can experiment with some designs, and when it comes into life, it actually looks beautiful.
Need more interior design inspiration? Subscribe to our channel for new home tours, design ideas, and more every week.